भारत पूरे विश्व भर में अपनी महान संस्कृति और पारंपरिक मूल्यों के लिए प्रसिद्ध इस देश के सैकड़ों गुणगान भी कम है। और इसी देश का अंश है मारवाड़ यानी राजस्थान, जहां प्राचीन समय के बहुत सारे अति सुंदर प्राकृतिक दृश्य, स्थल, स्मारक, ऐतिहासिक धरोहर आदि हैं। जीवंत संस्कृति, वीरों की राजपुतानी शानो शौकत, रेतीली मरुस्थलीय भूमि पर ऊंट पर बैठकर सवारी तो सिर्फ मारो रंगीलो राजस्थान की याद दिलाती है। यहाँ के महापुरुषों ने चेन्नई में अपना बसेरा बनाकर इस शहर को अपना बना लिया है। 2008 में एक प्रसिद्ध संस्थान की स्थापना हुई, जिसका श्रेय रमेश जी दुग्गर एंड टीम को जाता है। उनका सपना यही था कि महिलाओं को अपना हुनर प्रदर्शित करने का मंच दे सके, उन्हें उड़ने के लिए पंख दे सके। इस बुलंदी पर कहाँ थे पहले, अब जो बादल है धुआं थे पहले। नक्शा मिटता है तो आता है ख्याल, रेत पर हम भी कहाँ थे पहले। मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने हैं और भरी जेबों में है आशाएं, अपनी जज्बे का एहसास तो हुआ है आज। आरसीसी डीवा में कहाँ थे पहले, आरसीसी डीवा में कहाँ थे पहले। मनोरंजन से लेकर समाज सेवा तक, सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों से लेकर शैक्षिक कार्यक्रमों तक, आरसीसी डीवा का नाम गूंजता चला आ रहा है। सालों से बुलंदियां छूने की विरासत को साथ लेके चट्टानों को पार कर एक और शानदार साल का स्वागत कीर्ति फोमरा, इंस्टॉलेशन डायरेक्टर 2020-21 आज करने जा रही है। आप सभी का स्वागत है।
गणपतिये नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः, अष्टविनायक नमो नमः, गणपति बप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरया।
Let's listen to a narrative, a recital of a dream to create history, a dream to build a team. हौसलों के उड़ान से नए मौकों की तलाश है, तैयार है अध्यक्षिका और मंजिल उनकी आकाश है। सपना हमेशा से उनका रहा सभी का विकास है, तैयार है अध्यक्षिका और मंजिल उनकी आकाश है। A woman with a heart of gold decided to take the leap of faith by owning the title of the president of this prestigious club. This lady, Manisha Chordia, left no stone unturned to contribute to the society. She believed in grabbing every opportunity that came on the way to make this life purposeful. She decided to build a team that could be her pillars of strength, her building blocks, her visionaries. Hence, she decided on getting Sheetal Chandan on board for her perseverance and confidence. Now she needed her right hand who would be the co-creator of her team's brand. That's when she met Nisha Bisani and elected her for becoming the secretary of the club. As impeccable leader to handle finances and fund management, she handed over the title of the treasurer to Simi Solanki. To further create a network of more fiercely independent women, she brought in Chetna Modi to the team as the joint secretary of the club. Her confidence grew 10 times stronger by the advent of Kirti Fomra, who with her ideas and creativity would ensure that the cultural program along with other programs are created with the best of resources. Every team needs a leader who can give back to the society and ultimately improve the goodwill of the club. Sangeeta Marlecha seemed to be an epitome of kindness and compassion, being the perfect candidate for project director. A team that organized events without entertainment in mind would not be able to hold on to the interest of the entire group. Hence, Komal Goyal was aptly invited to the prestigious group as the entertainment director. As she built the team slowly, she realized that a trip that could take the group away from the mundane routines of life to a location with picturesque beauty and another world would be the highlight. And she approached a travel enthusiast, Chandrika Jain, as the long tour director. Human development programs that could ignite the passive fire inside every member was her ambition from the beginning, and hence she approached Anamika Agarwal to fill in the shoes of Human Resource Director. No team would be complete without sports, as it could enhance social skills, physical fitness and resourcefulness of the teams. And hence she invited Rekha Tater as the sports director. Now she also needed a person who could proactively engage RCC Diva in sports, and hence she ensured onboarding Shilpa Surana as the intra-sports director. To pen down thoughts of the mind to ideas and reality was an art only a few could master, and Shweta Mohta was perfect for the job of editorial director. Organizing development and entertainment event for the kids required a woman with a childlike energy, and hence she decided that Pragna Chaudhary would be the best choice for the kids wing director. She found Kusum Mehta, one with the prettiest smile, to be the right woman as the greeting director for making birthdays and anniversaries and extravaganza for the members. Rekha Kankaria was aptly given the responsibility to raise funds for social funds and services. And of course, she had her man, her rock, Pramod Chordia, standing beside her with plethora of ideas and a vision to be the best. The Wonder Women, along with the Superman, would be the dream team, a team that could withstand any obstacles and create history in the years to come. We will now ask Padamji Tatia to welcome all the members to their respective posts.
I, Padam Tatia, hereby initiate the oath-taking ceremony.
I, Manisha Pramod Chordia,
in the presence of the members of RCC Diva,
take this solemn obligation
to abide by the Constitution
and bylaws of the club,
to attend all meetings regularly,
to support
and further the interest of the club
in all its undertaking,
and I further declare
that I will assist to maintain,
build.
and strengthen the goodwill of the club.
Thank you.
As the installation of the new team comes to an end, the President of the Year extends a warm welcome to all the new members of the club and wishes them all the very best for the journey ahead. It's now time to witness the logo unveiling for the year. Here she is with dreams and hopes in her heart, unfazed by storms, fearless from start. The spark in her eye is fiery as burning gold. Her every move is graceful as much as bold. A mix of compassion, passion, and all things fine is what she will need to rise and shine. The journey is of course long and the valley is deep. She knows she has miles to go before she sleeps. But like a cocoon to caterpillar and caterpillar to butterfly, she is ready to go one level up every single time. She is no one but you and me, reborn from Renaissance. She is a Renashi. She is a Renashi.
सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी हमारा